archer and a professional boxer. I'm a chess player, a footballer, a skater, and also a wushu player. And today we also have a very interesting topic. It's going to be a fun day. But before I tell you that topic's name, but today we are also going to tell you a beautiful message. It's the Bruce Lee's philosophy. Are you ready for it? When you put water in a cup, it becomes the cup. When you put water in a glass, it becomes the glass. When you put water in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Be water, my friend. Yeah, that's a very beautiful message. You also have to practice it day by day. So you should also learn about it. And you can also know those meanings, what they do mean. But today, now I'm going to tell you the name of the topic. The name of the topic is motion. Motion is a very fun thing to learn, and it's also very fun to also learn about it, and it's very good to learn. So today I'm also going to tell you about motion. That's why I'm today telling you about motion. Is also informative. It's very informative, and you have to see its videos about motion. Like mine, you have to also see mine. Now let's talk about motion. What is motion's definition? When an object changes its place relative to its surroundings. But here I have a question. Why do we say relative to its surroundings? Because when both guys, a person A and person B, they're sitting in the car. Tell me this. When they both are sitting in the car, if B is relative to A, then A is in rest. But if A is relative to B, B is in rest. So why do we say relative to its surroundings? Look, person C is out of the car. This is person B and A. If they both are relative to C's surrounding, then they both are in motion. But if person B is relative to A's surrounding, then A is in rest. Or the opposite, then B is in rest. It's the same thing, you know. So when there are three types of motion. Yeah, they are very interesting. They also have different names, but one has, kind of complicated, but it's very fun to learn. Yeah, that's very funny because one motion has circulatory motion and rotatory motion, but I'm going to tell you later. But first, let's enter the very basic first motion. The first motion is called, translatory motion or, rectilinear motion. So what is its definition? I'm going to tell you. When an object moves in a straight line, so when a person moves in a straight line, that's called transliniar motion or rectilinear motion. Like a car. Examples are a car and also an aeroplane or anything which is walking in a straight line. The next one is rotatory motion. Rotatory motion. Rotatory motion is a very fun thing to learn, but it's not the same going in a straight line. It's that one you have to move around its axis. Now I'm going to tell you its definition. Moving around the axis in its own circle. But wait a second. You look. Rotatory motion and circulatory motion, they both are same. They both are like this, but they're not the same in the movement because the rotatory motion is its axis is fixed and it's moving around, but the circulatory motion is something else. It's not fixed. The axis is there, but it's not fixed and it's moving around. It has another example. It has both of things, but that's going to come later. But it's in the examples. The examples are a wheel and a tire, a fan, and the most common are earth. Earth does only not one motion. It does two motions. One is its axis is fixed. The earth moves by itself. The axis is fixed. And the earth is going around its axis. That's called rotatory motion. But which one is going around the sun? That's not rotatory motion. It's circulatory motion. Circulatory motion is one object has its axis, but it's not fixed. It's moving around. Hey, I have an interesting question. Can you tell me what thing is moving around the earth? Earth is moving around the sun, but around the earth, you know what is moving? The moon. So the sun is going around the moon, around the sun, and the moon is going around the earth. They both, the moon is following the earth. So now, this is the last motion. It's called vibratory motion. Vibratory motion is a very fun thing to, learn. Vibratory motion, and I also made a project about this and you might seen it. A vibratory robot. But vibratory motion is not only just wiggling. It's not only wiggling. First, let me tell you its definition. Then I'm going to tell you the example. The definition is between two extremes or to and fro motion. Now the examples. The examples are swing, a pendulum, or a hanging ball. You know what a hanging ball is? It's for cricket. You can knock with it. Yes. So, what is vibratory motion? Vibratory motion is when an object is moving between two extremes. Look, like a swing. Now I'm going to give you an example of a swing. Like this. The swing is, it's centrally mean, but not the same mean. They both the spellings are mean, but not the same mean. This, look, the mean, then it goes up. You push it, then in the same, look, they are equal. In the same line. It goes up here, then it's getting down, then it reaches to its mean again. Then you push it again, it goes up. Yeah, this is vibratory motion. It goes, like in the same. Look, I'm going to put my hand here. And look, it's rotating in and on the mean. Now I'm going to tell you by my own. Translatory motion is like this. You're walking in a straight line. Rotatory motion is kind of tough because, it's going to be, the mic is going to be tangled, but that's is rotatory motion. And the last thing, vibratory motion. I can actually show you both of them. Like this and like this. You know that dance, it goes back, but I'm doing the same, so you should see both hands. It was a great topic today. It was short, but I'm going to make more videos for you guys. I thank everybody who is listening to me, our subscribers, and also our very, very old radio channel, F105.8. I thank all of them who is listening to me. I will come back with another video, but for now on, Allah Hafiz.